Hello, beautiful souls. Let's see what's going on for the month of February. See what kind of energy we got going on. I hope you're all doing well. I send you love and light. Okay, so first up, let's see. Ooh. So we have the Six of Pentacles. So that is a beautiful card. If you're in need of help, just know it is there. You just need to ask for it, whether it be monetary or physical help. Reach out for that. Let's see what's next. Okay, so we have the Ten of Wands, which shows that the end of a struggle is here. Okay, so maybe we've been overburdened, carrying too much on our shoulders for way too long. That struggle is ending. The month of February, that's it. No more of that. We're here to be lifted up and supported now. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for the past. Another ending. So maybe thoughts and words that were limiting you, that weren't getting you to where you needed to be. You're over it. Okay, so you're done thinking that. That is an ego death right there, and that could have been part of that struggle. And in the center, put those down. We have a new beginning with the Ace of Swords. So that is. So the 10 is the ending, and the Ace of Swords is the beginning. This is a new mindset. Swords are thoughts and words. So what you think, you will become. Make sure that you guard your thoughts like you would a precious diamond. Okay? That is where you're manifesting. Let's see what's in the future. The Tower. Oh, this is a little scary, but something needs to end. Okay, there's no more messing around. The Tower, something needs to change right now. Okay, so it could be a little scary, but it's okay. It's a new beginning is going to be happening. And let's pull two more for advice. Okay, now we have the Five of Pentacles and the Strength card. So the Five of Pentacles is saying, even though right now it looks hard and maybe you feel like an outcast from society, money challenges are, things look bleak. But the Strength card is saying, have no fear, believe in yourself, have courage, and you can take the bull by the horns. Literally, that's what the Strength card is saying. See how she's controlling this lion, this powerful beast? Okay, you have that power. So don't be afraid. Speak your mind. Manifest your destiny. And good things will come to you. Okay, I wish you well. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and follow me for more.